Hello everyone, today in this video we're going to show you how to create an YouTube video or any other video that you want to create with ChatGPT and Pictory here. So we're gonna use ChatGPT and Pictory create any video. So first of all, you need to go to ChatGPT, and if you want to create a YouTube video here, just tell ChatGPT to create a YouTube script here. So I have already created a script for my video here. So write me a YouTube script about how to gain weight in 1 month. Again, spelling is wrong, but eventually it catches the right here. The gain spelling is wrong here, but don't worry, ChatGPT understand what is I'm trying to say here. So ChatGPT has given me a script here, as you can see. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about, so just like a YouTuber going to say in the first here. So if I go down, and as you can see, this is kind of a short version of YouTube video, and I also say that make it short on like a YouTube short video, and this is the short script here, and this is kind of a longer version, like 2 to 3 minutes video here. So you can just copy and paste in the Pictory, or you can just copy in the Word file, and you can edit furthermore if you want to make it more better, and you can edit lots of text in if you want to use more friendly tone or your some information that you want to put here. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it so for the video here. So here's the Pictory here. So if you don't know what's Pictory, Pictory is an online based video editing software, which is an amazing tool here. You can use it for free right now. You can use it for free, but you cannot generate videos for free. So you can use it online in the free right now. If you don't know how to create an Pictory account, I'll give the link in the description box. If you watch that video, you will know how to use Pictory here, and if you use the link to create an account, you will get a also 20% discount for the Pictory here. So these are the 4 options in the Pictory here. As you can see, script to video, article to video, edit videos using text, and visual to video. So we're gonna use the script to video because we have created a script with the ChatGPT, and this article to video means you can just copy and paste an URL here and it will create a video for you. And those are the same thing, edit videos using text. So you just have to put some text here, and visual to videos, you just have to put some visual here. So you have to upload your own images or videos, then it will create a video for you. So I'm just gonna go to the script to video to proceed here, and we're gonna enter the video name. So we're gonna, for how to gain weight in 1 month. It's just a example video here that I'm showing you for how can you create YouTube videos with Pictory here and ChatGPT. And then just simply I'm just gonna paste my script here for the from the ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the same script here. So spell check is yes here, and as you can see, it's also showing me the characters. So this is the scene setting option here. So you just have to turn both here, auto highlight keywords, auto visual selection, and for the both here. So we're just gonna click on proceed here, and there you have to choose what kind of template you're gonna use here. So this is the template library. So if you use the script here, these are the templates that are gonna show here. So for now, we're gonna choose, there's a lot of template here you can use. So this is the showing what kind of template you're going to use for you here. So I want a subtitle like template here for showing the texture. So this is the standard showing here. So we're going to choose the standard templates here. Just click select here, and this is the aspect ratio. So this is the 16.9 aspect ratio for the YouTube video here, and this is the short version, and this is, I think this is for the Instagram or Facebook here. So we're going to choose the 16:9 here. So just click continue here, and it will start to generate your videos there created. So it's going to take some time. So as you can see, some for 5 to 10 minutes our video is created here, and it has the scene here. So these are the sentence that I script that I put in the ChatGPT and copy it, and this is this script here, and it also makes some scene with my script here. So if you want to change some visual here, like this scene's not correctly with some hairs, if for someone struggle, so you just have to go to the visual here, and if you just click on this video and search for some other video, you can have keywords here, or you can just choose for your own video here. You can also upload your some scene from your video, and also some texture here. So we're gonna search some videos for the next scene here and add it to the template here. So these has add some lots of template here. As you can see, these are the video that added in my script to video here. So if I search weight here, and this will show you lots of videos here for the weight here. So if someone who struggles to put weights, this video is going well for the fitted to this video here. So you just click it, and as you can see, the next scene, the number scene 2 is now added to this video here. And if you want to see this full video preview here, so just go to this preview here, and also you can show this is showing this estimated video duration is only 2 minutes 36 seconds. So if I go to preview watch option here, preparing video for preview here, so it's gonna show you the whole video that you have put the script here and how it make the video here. So as you can see, it's the video that make the picture with just a script here. Also, it added some background music here. So if you want to change the background music, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'll just close the preview here. And if you want to change the audio here, or you can also add some element here. You can also add stickers, GIFs, or GIFs and emojis here in your video. So if I just put this emoji here, as you can see, the emojis in the video right now. We can also move the emoji. You can just delete one of them and it will be in the video. And also there's an audio option. As you can see, this audio is already applied here. So if you don't like the audio here, you have your own audio, you can just cross it here. And also you can choose lots of audio from here. There's thousands of audio. As you can see, 15,000 tracks are available here. And also if you want to add a voiceover, you just click on voiceover here. There's a lot of text to speech here. You can choose male or female here. So if I just click on male here, and if I choose any, you can also play and listen how this sound here.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
So as you can see, these are the sound.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
So these are the sound text to voice here. So if I want to add this voiceover in my video here, so if I just click apply here, as you can see, this is now applied in my video here. And if I want to hear it, so if I have to go to the preview again, and it will prepare the video again with the voiceover here.
Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to gain weight in 1 month. If you're someone who struggles to put on weight, this video is for you.
So as you can see, the
Before we get started, it's important to note that gaining weight is not just about...
This is the voiceover going to be. You can choose more voiceover from here, and also there's a text option here. You can add many other text in the video here, and also there's a styles option here. You can choose if you want to change this type of sub caption here. You can also choose many other template or many other style here. So these are some style here. If I click on it, and as you can see, the style of caption are changed here, and you can also choose this here, and there the aspect ratio here. So this is how you edit video with Pictory here with Chat GPT using the script here. So this is very easy to create video in Pictory. If you click generate here, you can also download this in your PC or laptop here. So if you want to create an account here, just go to the video description box and use that link. You will also have a discount option here. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.